MOOZ-2 Plus, a versatile modular desktop 3-in-1 3D printer, from 3D printing to laser engraving and CNC carving. MOOZ-2 Plus packs 3 capabilities into one single machine, giving you more freedom to bring your creative ideas to life. MOOZ-2 Plus adopts aluminum frame, which not only makes a machine look beautiful, but also sturdy and steadier during the working process. The machine comes with 3 interchangeable modules. Simply change the tool head and you're ready to rock. MOOZ-2 Plus is all about user-friendliness and offers many handy features. With auto-leveling feature, beginners can start printing like a pro without manual calibration. And with a slight bending of the sturdy and flexible build platform, you can take off the models without any warp or break. For consistent extrusion, we use a powerful extruder, which makes a great fit for TPU and other flexible filaments. The machine stops printing when filament runs out or power is lost. One killer feature for laser engraving is that you can engrave your own drawings. Just take a picture of your drawing, upload it into the software, and leave the rest of the machine. For CNC carving, the machine supports dozens of carving bits. Also, we optimize the clamps to provide a tighter hold. A dust-proof sheet and a protective board are added to the package for a smoother experience. MOOZ-2 Plus comes with an intuitive smart touchscreen showing instructions, guiding you through printing easily and quickly. Our tailor-made 3-in-1 slicer software, MOOZ Studio, combines 3D printing, laser engraving, and CNC carving G-code generator into one, simplifying operations and letting you breeze through these varying tasks. MOOZ-2 Plus is smarter, more powerful than our previous versions. Join our creativity community now and unlock your full creative potential with MOOZ-2 Plus.